New Charlie Puth single just dropped. It's called Girlfriend, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of two chords, the first of which is an A flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the G string. And then next is a G flat major chord. So you're just going to take the A flat major chord and move it down 2 frets. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the other part you need to know is the lead line during the chorus. It's just one note, so you're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and it sounds like this. And that's it for Girlfriend. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks!